And I did this. So I'm just gonna do a video of me doing it. If you missed it, it was not that fun. I made another video. It's not that fun. It's quite fun. So this is the summer goodies. This is the paper. Okay. And we're inflating this one. Just the one who inflated the top one when so after this I'm gonna ako naman ate pa ni. Soft pa rin ah. Hindi ko siguro nalagyan ng maayos. Ulitin mo ate Baning.
May bulo sa ata to. May butas siya.
Ikaw nga maghawak ng kamay. We can't inflate this because it's so what are we gonna do? Pwede mo kayo video natin Baning? Huwag mo i-press. Wow. So what
Okay na yan.
wow!
Ang haba na.
4 minutes pa lang. Ang drawing ko nga 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So wait a minute. Ate, pwede mo naman sinabi kung may downtown floater? Wala? Wala ba ate Pani? watch a movie, guys? Then comment yes or no. But we're gonna watch a movie. Haha. So let us. There's TV. There's me. There's me in my pink violin. There is Santa Claus. Wow, 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 wow. Like, this is my inflating my pump. And you can look at the pump right here like that. So my shell here. So what? Paano pwede mo tanungin si Mami? Mami, may pa ibang inflator? May butas eh. Hindi ko po alam may butas. So, so exploring thing first while waiting. Crummy, crummy, crummy. This is the thing. Amazing. Yung red, baka makita ka dito, Mami. Kaya dito na sa phone. It's yung red. Hindi yan, merong ano. Di ba meron diyang ano, parang higaan? Hindi, meron yung pink. Taas yun. Sa taas yun. Sa taas yun. Let us go to part 2. Just we're gonna make part 2 later. So bye. Doing nothing. Sorry if I have interrupted, but please do not have bad comments because I have feelings too. Just write it on a paper or something, dude.